Hi guys, my name is Wilson Bugembe from the Wash House, and today I'm with my young short brother. Yes, John Mark. Hey buddy. So guys, we are here to invite people for exciting 6 days of prayer. When Mark?
12 to 17th of December.
Bidi, Paka 17 December is a conference of prayer. His dad, our spiritual dad, Pastor Michael Kimuli, is an inspiration. And every year he organizes a meeting where God meets his people. So bananga banonya mukama, please don't miss. Entry is free, lunch is free, even you can sleep over for free, and miracles will happen. The theme is Partners in Revival. And Dr. John Mulinde will be there, one of the greatest men of our time. Bishop Uganda, Pastor Chwewe, Apostle Tumwine, Pastor Michael Kimuli. Yes, I'll be there. I'll be putting on a suit. And international speakers, Pastor Ian, Pastor Axel from Germany. You are all invited. Banang, mark the date. Let us all go and seek God. We are all products of prayer. And I want to thank Pastor Michael Kimuli for keeping the fire. You never know, it might be you that God is looking for. Katonda